This tutorial is about how to use a 6-figure grid reference. Let's take a look at a map. As we know from 4-figure grid references, all maps have along the bottom eastings and northings numbers. Eastings are 0, 1, 2 and so on. Northings are 61, 62 and so on. 6-figure grid references have 6 figures in them, and this is how it works. Let's take a look at a larger map. Let's enlarge our map so we can see things more clearly. Let's take, for example, our car park, which is here. We know from our 4-figure work that our car park is in square 03, 63. But we need an extra figure here to make it a 6-figure grid reference. And this is how it works. What we need to do, we need to look at our eastings number 03. And we have to use our geographical eye to divide our square 03 into tenths. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 or 10 at the end. And we have to calculate how far along our 03 eastings line our car park is. Let's have a look again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 0. Let's have a look. The middle of the car park roughly is about 8 tenths along our 03 line. So we simply write 03, 8, and let's do the same along our northings line 63. Subdivide it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 or 10 at the top. How far up our 63 line do we think our car park is? Well, let's take a rough estimate from the centre going out. I would say that's probably about 1, 2, 3 tenths up line number 63. So we would say it is 63, 3. Let's try another one. This time I'm going to give you a grid reference and we're going to work out where it is. So let's see if we can find 048, 61, 2. Let's have a look at the first part of our clue. 04 is here. And we're going to look at 8 tenths along our line 04. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 at the end. The next part of our clue is to find the northings. We're going to be looking at line 61, and this time we only need to go 2 tenths up. 1, 2. Now the trick here is to see where these two lines meet. So 04 and 8 is here, and 61 and 2 is here. So where our two lines cross, we have this symbol here, which is a picnic site. And that's how you read a 6-figure grid reference. Let's look at a final one. This time we're going to look at a grid reference which we're going to call 020630. And this is how it works. See if you can get there before me. Our first clue is grid square 02, which is here. And we're going to count 0/10 along. So we don't actually have to go anywhere. We're just on the line there, 020. And then we're going to look at grid square 63, which is here. And we only need to go 0/10 up, which is there. And that means this time, when we join our two lines, we get to this point here, which, if we take a closer look, is this, a public telephone. And that is on the line of 020630. And it's worth noting that a public telephone is somewhere where you can go and make a call if you don't have a mobile phone with you. It's something that people who are older than you used to use, but no one really uses them anymore. But we still have them on OS maps, and we still have them in the key, and we still use them for teaching.